My name is Yash Modi. I'm from Calcutta and I'm representing my company Krishna Electronics KSS. We have been in this field for the past 30 years. The firm was incorporated by my father, Mr. Dinesh Kumar Modi, and we are the sole distributors for KSS branded products in India. KSS is a Taiwan make company and they are the pioneers and Asia's #1 company for their quality in all cable management accessories and products. They have export in around 200 countries and we are doing KSS products for the past 25 years. We have a wide range of product line ranging from cable ties, cable glands, nail cable clips, wiring ducts, metal conduits and adapters, PG glands and many more. We have a catalog of around 250 pages and we proudly say that we have the largest wiring accessories products anybody that has to offer in India. So thank you very much for visiting our stall, sir. Thank you.